Taking a one-window screenshot. 1. Click the window that you want to capture an image of. The one-window screenshot function will take a picture of the active window on your screen, which means that it should be in front of all your other windows. 2. Hold down Alt and press PRTSCR. An image of the window will be copied to the clipboard. The dimensions of the image will be determined by the size of the window when the screenshot is captured. You will not receive any confirmation that the screenshot has been taken. 3. Open Paint. This program comes installed on all Windows computers. To open it, open Start image titled Windows Start.png. On Windows 8, open Search. Click the search bar at the bottom of the Start menu. Type in Paint. Click Paint at the top of the Start window. On Windows 8, Paint will be in the search results. For a Windows XP computer, click Start, select Programs, select Accessories, and click Paint. 4. Paste in the screenshot. Once the Paint window loads, press Ctrl+V to paste in the screenshot. You should see it appear in the Paint window. You can also paste the screenshot into other programs, such as Word, or into the body of an email. Simply open the program that you want to paste the image into and press Ctrl+V. 5. Save your screenshot as an image file. Click File, click Save, enter a file name, click a location on the left side of the page, and click Save. You can change the screenshot's file type by clicking the Save as Type drop-down box at the bottom of the window and then clicking a different format, example JPEG, in the drop-down menu. The most common file types are JPG and PNG. The recommended format for screenshots is PNG, due to the high quality and small file size. Taking a screenshot of a game. 1. Open the Xbox game bar. To do so, press Win+G at the same time. This will open the game bar. 2. Enable gaming features. If you are playing a game, you will need to tell Xbox Game Bar that it is a game by opening Game Bar Settings, going to General, and ticking the box Remember this is a game. This will enable gaming features for the app you are using. It is not recommended to do this for non-games, as Game Bar may constantly record what you are doing in the background. 3. Press the photo button or Win+Alt+ print screen. This will take a screenshot of your game through any gaming overlays such as the Xbox Game Bar overlay or the Discord integration. 4. Find your screenshot in the Captures folder in Videos. The game screenshot will be present in this folder, but can also be accessed in the gallery.